Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the best solar-powered gadgets for 2024. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or just looking to go green, these innovative devices harness the power of the sun to keep you connected, entertained, and prepared. Let's get started and explore these game-changing solar gadgets. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, this 30W portable solar panel charger is a game changer. Designed for the adventurer in mind, this charger is IPX5 waterproof, making it robust enough to withstand various weather conditions. Whether you're caught in a rainstorm or basking in the sun, this charger is built to keep powering up your devices. Its foldable design is incredibly convenient, allowing you to easily pack it in your backpack without taking up much space. Unfold it, and you have a reliable power source wherever you are. This solar panel charger is not just for emergencies, it's perfect for everyday use while camping, hiking, or traveling. It efficiently converts sunlight into energy to charge your cell phones, tablets, and power banks. Imagine hiking a remote trail with no power outlets in sight and still being able to keep your devices charged. The high conversion efficiency of this panel ensures you get the most power out of available sunlight. Plus, its rugged design means it can handle being tossed around in your gear. This charger features multiple charging ports, so you can power several devices simultaneously. Next, introducing the Nuynix Solar Charger Power Bank, your ultimate outdoor companion for 2024. This powerhouse packs a 38,800 mAh polymer battery, ensuring your devices stay charged throughout your adventures. Equipped with a smart protection IC chip, it guarantees safe and intelligent charging at all times. The upgraded 15W outputs mean you can swiftly charge an iPhone to 50% in just 30 minutes, making it ideal for those on the go. And with 3 charging ports, including 2 USB-A and 1 Type-C, this solar power bank can power up to 3 devices simultaneously. It's compatible with a wide range of gadgets, from iPhones and Samsung phones to iPads, Nintendo Switch, cameras, and more. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just out and about, this power bank ensures your devices never run out of juice. The built-in dual LED flashlight offers 3 lighting modes: steady, SOS, and strobe, providing versatile illumination for any situation. Its rugged design is IP67 waterproof, drop-proof, and dust-proof, making it perfect for extreme environments. Whether you're caught in a downpour or tackling rough terrain, this power bank performs flawlessly, ensuring you stay connected no matter where you are. While the solar panel provides a convenient way to charge in emergencies, it's best to use a power source above 5V2A for daily charging due to its large battery capacity. The LuminAID Solar Camping Lantern is a must-have gadget for 2024, perfect for camping, hiking, travel, and more. Featured on Shark Tank, this inflatable LED lantern emits 75 lumens of bright light and offers multiple brightness settings, making it versatile for both indoor and outdoor use. It's lightweight, collapsible, waterproof, shatterproof, and dustproof, ensuring durability and safety even for children. This lantern is ideal for a wide range of activities including camping, hiking, fishing, patio parties, picnics, and emergency preparedness. With a long battery life of up to 24 hours on a full charge, you'll have reliable light when you need it most, and you won't need any additional batteries. It recharges in 2 convenient ways: approximately 10 hours of direct sunlight or 1 to 2 hours via the included micro USB cord. Whether you're in the great outdoors or facing a power outage, the LuminAID Solar Camping Lantern is a reliable and eco-friendly light source that fits easily into your survival kit or travel bag. Meet the REOLINK Argus 4 Pro, your go-to 4K solar security camera for 2024. This gadget is a game changer, boasting a 180-degree blind spot-free view thanks to its dual lenses, which seamlessly stitch two views into one comprehensive 4K perspective with minimal distortion. Day or night, it doesn't miss a beat. ColorX technology provides full-color night vision using an f1.0 aperture and a 1.8 sensor to capture true-to-life details even in the dark. Enhanced smart detection with a 180-degree PIR sensor and wide field of view means fewer false alarms, keeping you alerted only to what truly matters. As the world's first battery camera equipped with dual-band Wi-Fi 6, it promises smooth 4K streaming without lag. For storage, the Argus 4 Pro offers diverse options, including micro SD cards up to 128 GB and Home Hub integration, ensuring you have plenty of space to keep your footage without any monthly fees. Plus, with the 6W solar panel, you can keep it powered sustainably, making it not only a high-performance security solution, but also an eco-friendly choice. Lastly, we have the Urbanista Malibu, the world's first solar charging portable speaker, perfect for 2024. This innovative speaker features integrated Powerfoil solar cell technology, allowing it to recharge in both indoor and outdoor light. With a full-day battery reserve, it keeps the music playing seamlessly all day long. It boasts Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, ensuring compatibility with your phone, tablets, iPhone, and Android devices. The rugged waterproof design makes it ideal for any environment, whether you're at the beach, pool, or in the office. It's built to handle sand, dust, and dirt, ensuring durability in all conditions. The Urbanista Malibu doesn't compromise on sound, delivering a powerful audio experience with 20 W output. The REOLINK function allows you to connect two speakers for a true stereo sound, and intuitive control buttons make it easy to manage. Enhance your experience with the Companion app, which lets you track light charging performance and control settings effortlessly. Inspired by Malibu's vibrant outdoor life, this compact speaker is made from recycled materials, embodying sustainable design. For those who need an eco-friendly, portable, and powerful audio solution, the Urbanista Malibu is the perfect choice. And that's our roundup of the best solar-powered gadgets for 2024. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel for more gadget reviews, and tap the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads. Let us know in the comments which gadget you're most excited to try out, or if you have any favorites we missed. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.